Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for 12th April 2022. India plans $2 billion more of exports to sanctions hit Russia. India Bhutan discussed waterways cooperation for development. Want peaceful and cooperative ties with India. Shehbaz Sharif thanks PM. Sikh Jatha from India depart for Lahore for celebrations. US reaffirmed support for India's bid in UN Security Council, new club NSG. US conveyed full support to India's upcoming G20 presidency. Stampede like situation at Tirupati Shrine as over 10,000 rush for tickets. Registration for 2022 Amarnath Yatra begins for devotees aged 13 to 75. 3 died in the Jharkhand ropeway incident. The rest have been rescued. And now some international news. No need for credit, debit cards as firm offers payment microchip. Dozens killed in Philippines landslides, floods as tropical storm hits. Two new Omicron subvariants BA4 and BA5 on WHO radar. The WHO has added these strains to its list for monitoring. And now some international news. Amputee swimmer Omar Hegazi lost his leg in accident, broken two Guinness records. IPL 2022, Rahul Chahar has picked 7 wickets so far this season. Injured Rafael Nadal will logically miss the ATP Barcelona Open next week. And that's all for today. Thank you.